Most people get this wrong, but here's why getting access to Axiom Pro is not as simple as just clicking a sign-up button. Axiom Pro is a premium trading and automation platform, and access is often limited, invite-based, or tied to specific subscription tiers. So if you've been stuck trying to get in, you are not alone. First, let's clarify what Axiom Pro actually is. Axiom Pro is typically used by advanced traders who want real-time market data, automation tools, and portfolio tracking in one place. It's designed for people who trade frequently and want deeper insights than what basic apps provide. The surprising truth about Axiom Pro is that it's not always publicly advertised, which makes many users think it's private or exclusive. Step 1 is visiting the official Axiom platform and creating a standard account. Most people get this wrong by searching random links or third-party sites. You should always start from the official source to avoid scams. Once you register, you'll usually get access to the basic dashboard. Step 2 is upgrading to Pro Access. In many cases, this requires either a paid subscription or meeting certain eligibility criteria. Some versions require a monthly fee, while others offer access if you hold a specific balance, trading volume, or partner membership. You won't believe how many people miss this part and think the system is broken. Step 3 is account verification. This often includes email confirmation, identity verification, and sometimes linking a wallet or exchange account. This step is critical because Axiom Pro deals with financial tools and needs compliance. Once approved, Pro features unlock automatically. These usually include advanced charts, automated strategies, alerts, analytics, and priority support. The biggest advantage is speed and depth of information. For active traders, even a few seconds of better data can make a real difference. The surprising truth about Axiom Pro is that it's not meant for beginners. If you're new to trading, the interface may feel overwhelming, but if you already understand markets, it becomes a powerful tool. In conclusion, getting access to Axiom Pro requires three things: an official account, the correct subscription or eligibility, and full verification. There's no secret hack, but once you're in, the platform offers serious value for advanced users. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides on tools, platforms, and online systems so you never waste time guessing again.